You can manifest anything that you want, including the SP that you want, including going into their brains and inserting thoughts that you want them to think. This is exactly how you manifest your SP 10 times faster than anyone else that you know on YouTube or in real life. Any success stories that you've heard. This is the best and most effective way to do this. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. You are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, where I go into depth about this topic. Go on ritakaminski.com to access that course and 14 weeks worth of presentations, homework, affirmations, meditations, and so much more. Everyone raves about this course and I can't wait for you to get it into your hands. We are offering fortnightly payments as well. So again, all of the information is on ritakaminski.com.
I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be.
Neville Goddard's teachings state that the outer world is a direct reflection of your assumptions. It really is your world, baby, and everyone else is living in it. Everything that you see is literally the assumptions that you have made. With that being said, your SP is included. That means that you can directly change an SP's thoughts into any thoughts that you would like. But Rita, isn't that some form of a manipulation? I can just feel one or two beginners asking that in the comments. You're going to be controlling them regardless because your thoughts will literally print out. So whether it's on autopilot before you knew about the law or in a controlled way where you are actually steering the ship and creating new beliefs within yourself, it's not manipulation because you're going to be doing it anyways, just in an indirect manner because you didn't know that you actually control the entire world around you. So let's just say that you give up on law of assumption altogether and you just live life on autopilot. You're going to be going off on the belief that you have had before about this person or the way that men treat you or what you deserve for yourself. If that is manipulation, then the only time that we're not manipulating them is when you're dead, when your brain doesn't work. So let's reframe it from, oh my God, I'm controlling this person, to, oh my God, I'm shifting my assumptions about the way that I think I get to be treated, about how I think this person treats me, men as a whole. You're literally just thinking in a positive manner. So instead of thinking, how can I manifest them? You are more switching into, who am I being? So your self-concept is key, and that is actually the second course in my catalog, the perfect self-concept, because what you think that you deserve is exactly what you will get. That is the only thing that you have assumed that you can attain. When you change your thoughts to, I deserve to be loved by Joseph, that is exactly what is going to happen. But it literally could not if all you're thinking is, oh my God, he's too hot for me. What should I wear to impress him? He can never love a girl like me. The practical techniques to manifest your SP 10 times faster than in any other way is quantum jumping. First and foremost, we are stepping into the reality where right now you and Joseph are together. So like when I snap my fingers, right, you are not going to be in this reality anymore. You're going to be in a complete new reality where absolutely everything is identical except for how Joseph treats you and if Joseph wants to be in a relationship with you tomorrow. You will completely change the present moment by jumping into a brand new parallel universe. Okay? The second that I snap my fingers, everything will stay the same except for now Joseph is gonna ask you to be his girlfriend. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And it's done. Literally tomorrow he's going to ask you to be his girlfriend because you have now literally shifted into a new reality, because all it takes is one decision, my loves. And that's where the next point comes, living in the end. Living in the end is simply just making a decision that in this reality right now, Joseph is in love with me. He's gonna ask me to be his girlfriend. And then we're talking to ourselves day in and day out. It doesn't matter what you see in the 3D unless you see exactly what it is that you want. So be mindful of what you're thinking. Every single thing counts. If you're saying this didn't work, you're literally manifesting that. You have to be consistently living in that reality, and the 3D has to catch up, and it will catch up. That is not your issue. Because the second that you turn around and you ask, where is it? Poof. That reality is over. You're back in your old undesired reality. And this goes hand in hand. Mental motherfucking diet. Literally watch what you think, how you talk to other people. Whenever you think, oh my God, Joseph isn't looking at my stories. He hates me. Change it straight away. Is what I would say if I was in my old reality, but I'm in my new reality now, and Joseph is absolutely completely in love with me. Like, he's just at work. Like, the fuck I look like being an obsessive girlfriend. He's at work. He's coming home to me. So for example, if your old thought was they ignored me, your new thought would be, oh my God, they're so obsessed with me. It's fucking scary. Or instead of I'm not enough, you change it to I'm the prize. I'm literally on the pedestal. He cannot get enough of me. Old thought, what if they leave? New thought, he cannot find anyone else like me ever. And he knows that. The key, I'm afraid, is to not do this robotically. The key is to really live in the end and actually tell yourself, like, this is the truth. This is my reality, whether you believe it or not. You have to convince yourself, even if your mind is saying bullshit, 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 you have to keep being like, this is my new reality. Because, okay, imagine you have a hater, right? You tell them, oh my God, I just got into my dream college, right? And that's a fact. The hater is telling you, I don't believe that. You weren't accepted to your dream college. What the fuck are you talking about? Even if that person doesn't believe you, it doesn't mean that it's not the case. You're literally a hater right now to yourself. Like, you're telling yourself, oh no, I don't believe this. You have to be the one to be like, actually no, I am in a relationship with Joseph in this reality right now. So in the comments, I want you to actually write your favorite self-concept affirmation and repeat that as much as possible for 3 days. Check back in the comments to see if you like anyone else's self-concept affirmations and add them to your list as well. If you would like more Neville-based manifesting techniques, if you would like to be a winner of your own reality and actually manifest in the fastest way, humanely and inhumanely possible, subscribe for more content. I know this is the best YouTube video that you've ever watched, and this has helped you in infinite ways. No other YouTube video has ever helped you as much as this YouTube video has. Don't forget to give this video a like because that really helps out the algorithm. And I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Go get your man. Go get your girl.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay.